students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will clear some typical questions related to income or expenditure method. We have to calculate government final consumption expenditure or mixed income of self-employed persons from these given items. So let us start first of all government final consumption expenditure, because this component is related to expenditure method. So let us start with expenditure method. In expenditure method, we calculate GDP at MP. Here national income is given. So I am writing down national income by expenditure method is equal to number 1 private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus net exports plus gross domestic capital formation. Actually, these four components are related to GDP at MP. And for the calculation of national income, let us deduct depreciation from it, minus depreciation plus net factor income from abroad or minus net indirect taxes. Then we can calculate national income. So let us put the values. The value of national income is 71,000 is equal to private final consumption expenditure 40,000, government final consumption expenditure we have to calculate. I am putting question mark against this value. Then net exports are given 5,000 plus gross domestic capital formation, that is 10,000. So these three components were related to GDP at MP. Now depreciation is given consumption of fixed capital, which is 3,000 plus net factor income from abroad, which is 1,000 minus net indirect taxes, last item 2,000. So 71,000 minus 40,000 minus 5,000 minus 10,000 plus 3,000 minus 1,000 plus 2,000 will be equivalent to government final consumption expenditure. So this would be equivalent to 20,000. So 20,000 will be the answer of government final consumption expenditure. Now next we have to calculate mixed income of self-employed person, because this component is related to income method. So by income method, we know that national income is equal to NDP at FC plus NFYA, net factor income from abroad, is equal to mixed national income. The value of national income is 71,000 and the components of NDP at FC. Number 1 compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income plus net factor income from abroad. Let us put the values in it. 71,000 is equal to the component of compensation of employee, that is wages and salaries, which is 15,000 plus operating surplus is given 30,000 plus question mark we have to calculate mixed income of self-employed persons plus net factor income from abroad is 1,000. So 71,000 minus 15,000 minus 30,000 minus 1,000 is equal to mixed income of self-employed persons, which is 25,000 crore rupees. This is mixed income. So government final consumption expenditure answer is 20,000 and mixed income of self-employed persons answer is 25,000. So do subscribe the channel to see such type of more such type of numericals related to income or expenditure method. Thank you.